All right, so you got your PC ready to go. You ready to game, right? Everything is perfect. You got the mic set up. Everything is perfect, right? You even hardwired to the internet. Now, something is going wrong with your Bluetooth. Well, let me tell you what a lot of people's mistake is. I'm the same way. I'm going to show you how to fix that Bluetooth. And it's real simple. I know that you hardwired, but you need that Wi-Fi antenna. Folks, I'm telling you, plug this Wi-Fi antenna up to your PC because this right here, this also is an antenna for your Bluetooth. Trust me on that. Plug it up, hook it up. Leave me a comment. Tell me how it worked for you. I know it'll work. Watch your Bluetooth work 100% better now. Thank you guys for watching. You know what to do. Meet you in the lobby.